In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Grammarly from Microsoft Word. Whether you're looking to free up some space on your computer or simply don't need the tool anymore, uninstalling the Grammarly add-in is a straightforward process that should take just about 5 minutes. Let's dive right in. First, we'll begin by clicking on the Start button, which you can typically find at the bottom left-hand corner of your screen on the taskbar. This button opens up the main menu where you can access all sorts of applications and settings. Once you've opened the Start menu, you'll need to type the word Program. This should pull up several options related to applications and settings on your device. Keep in mind that we're doing this to navigate to the area where all the installed programs are listed, making it easier to find Grammarly. Next, direct your attention to the option that says Add or Remove Programs, or sometimes just Apps and Features, depending on your version of Windows. By clicking on this link, you'll be sent straight to the settings page where you can see a list of all the apps and programs currently installed on your computer. On the Apps and Features page, you'll notice a search bar or a list that you can scroll through. This list is the collection of installed apps on your system. We're specifically looking for Grammarly in this sea of options. Now once you see the list in front of you, locate Grammarly by either scrolling through the options or by typing Grammarly into the search bar at the top. This will quickly filter the list, bringing Grammarly to the forefront for easy access. With Grammarly now located, move your cursor to the right and you'll spot 3 vertical dots next to the Grammarly app listing. These 3 dots are a quick settings menu that gives you options related to that specific application. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots. You'll see an option that says Uninstall. Clicking on Uninstall will initiate the removal process, leading your system to prompt you with an additional confirmation step, ensuring that this is indeed the action you want to take. Confirm the uninstallation by following any additional prompts that might appear. This is simply to make sure you truly intend to remove Grammarly from your system. Once confirmed, the system will take a moment to uninstall the app,